Hello, hello. Welcome to a Capcut tutorial on how to go ahead and sync your video to your audio. So if let's say you have a song and you want it to cut every time that that the beat has like a snare or something like that. So it's super easy. All you want to do is right click on any video or hold down on it on mobile, and then go ahead and extract the audio from that clip. And then from here on the left, you want to go to the track settings and adjust the height of the track so that way you can see. And then I'll go ahead and adjust the length like so. So now I can see every time a snare happens, it tends to gently, if they made the song right, it should gently peak over like the other parts of the song, and then you can kind of listen for it too. And then you just want to go ahead and draw a line, well, not draw a line, but drag your timeline line to where the cuts are, and then cut your video at that exact point. So we'll just go ahead and cut it there, and then keep on going, so on and so forth, and then just make my cuts at all of these little peaks and snares in the audio. Now, like I said, you don't have to do it at every single one. That might look weird. So kind of use your ears and your eyes as well to adjust it and make it kind of go to the hard hitting sort of beats. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, though, it's been a CapCut tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful